on the road again at nandito kami sa, ano ba ito, June? Shuma. So it is in A6 at punta muna kami dito sa Chinese store. We were inspired dun sa hot pot na kinain namin dun sa Korean at we want to get some ingredients at try namin sa bahay. You know what, magpapasalamat kami sa inyo kasi quite a number of you has greeted our son, si Miguel, on his 21st birthday. At before I go through the list, let me just greet yung mga nagpapa-shout out para dun sa birthday din ng anak nila. So meron tayo si Iloco Pinoy, yung belated happy birthday to your son, na nag-celebrate noong March 8th. At meron din tayong ano nga to, advance greeting at para sa kay Cool Mama Carol, yung anak po niya si Shobi. Her daughter is celebrating her birthday on March 13th, 23rd birthday niya. Happy birthday! And to all who celebrating their birthday this March, and those who celebrated already, belated happy birthday and happy birthday to everyone. Kami ngayong araw, at meron pa pala, we wanted to greet everyone, isn't it? That's what I said. Kay Dad Cation, thank you for greeting our son. Kay FilipinoCzechfamily, kay Raquel, Cool Mama Carol, Mary Estopin, Ariel Onabia, Rudrick Season, Red Shell's Cake, April Pio de Roda, Divina Takagi, J. Custer Valenciano, Ed Serrano, Hill 120, Kate Katie, Benny Almocera, Girly Colmentera, Precious Love, Iloco Pinoy, Arturo Manlunas Jr., Alexander Anda, John Christian Monterola, at sandali lang po kasi I'll flick through dun sa isang page naman. At meron tayo kay Mary Jean Flores, Airway TV Canada. Sabi niya, I love Tim Hortons double coffee. I've never tried it. Kate Katie, at meron tayo kay Max Kitier, Maria Brooks, Estrella Barbacena, Violi Santos, Agustin, Tita Violi, kamusta? Alex Joan Vlog, kay Arlene Lagumbay, Benny Almocera, Sunflower Kitchen, Kwentong ano ba ito? Kwentong Butcher UK, Basketball Highlights. At meron pa tayo. Sorry, I have to go through this. Dali Binabasa ko lang sa telepono ko, mabilis. Kasi nagda-drive si June. Kaya ako naman, I'm going through it quickly para hindi kayo maboboard. Nestle Ian Castro, Sheila 08, Nicolai Kendra Bulaon, kay Jojo, kay Vin Oro, kay Maria Victorio 69. At meron pa tayong mga bagong subscriber din, like, hold on, kay meron tayo hold on, T-Place. At maraming salamat din kay Lutong Recados for being with us, kay Rosalia Orteca, Yola Brent Channel. I really like all the cooking, all the food that you've cooked and prepared. Kung yung mga hindi ko po na-mention, I'll try my best on the next vlogs. At kami na merong emergency services dito. Very busy dito sa daan. Kami papunta sa Chinese store para bumili ng mga ingredients para sa hot pot. Habang malamig pa ang panahon, we'll try it sa bahay. At meron ako minamarinate doon na beef Tingnan natin kung ma-vlog pa natin ito at hindi maganda ang lighting sa bahay namin eh. Pero ito ang...
Nakalimutan mo sa bargains, no? Bumili ng ring light.
nga pala. We were wanting to see kung makakabili kami ng ring light. Baka makatulong sa lighting namin pag nag-vlog kami. Madilim kasi sa bahay namin yung pintura namin at saka yung ilaw. Kumusta na po ang bilihin dyan sa ating sa Pilipinas at kung saan man kayong bansa, maaray din po ba kayo? Kasi kami a little bit mabigat-bigat na yung yung pag nagbabayad. Pero ganyan talaga, kailangan natin kumain at sige-sige lang ang trabaho. Actually ngayon papunta kami kila, saan tayo papunta pa June? Cheatham Hill. At may pupuntahan tayong kaibigan. Nilagdala tayo ng donuts doon at matagal-tagal na tayo hindi nagkita-kita kasi So, surprise na rin namin sa inyo. At eto, part para to ng Manchester. So, magli-left kami. Eto, malapit na to sa Manchester University, Manchester Museum. At malapit na rin ito sa saan pa ba? Sa sentro. Tsaka sa hospital, Manchester Royal Infirmary. At meron tayong kababayan dyan na imi-meet namin next week. I'm so excited. Parating na sila. Parating na sila out sa... Galing yata sila sa... Middle East. Nag-take na rin siya ng chance. Dadalhin niya yung dalawang chikiting at saka yung misis niya. Pareho sila yata sa hospital nagtatrabaho pero mukhang siya pa lang ang nakakuha ng ng qualifications to get here to work dito sa hospital. That's what I know so far. I might be wrong. Pero ang maganda sa kanya kasi dadalhin niya yung pamilya niya. He's taking a chance. Hindi lang siya muna. Dala niya na yung buong pamilya niya. Kaya he's reached out. I'm so excited. I do not know him personally. But tulungan na lang natin yung kababayan natin. Anyway, ganun din naman, di ba? Ano pa magtutulungan kung di tayo mga Pilipino. Kaya, let's see. I'm so excited.
The flood of tears. She always cries.
Ito po,
Cries.
nandiyan po kami sa jafet.
Hello, Jafet. My mother and father-in-law.
Si
But my mom doesn't
Sophia
want to
and
because
Hana.
it's cold, she
So
said.
trying to surprise us with their
Chow mein.
chow mein.
So Hana is cooking chow mein.
Yes.
Darling!
She's cooking for
I'm
you. Thank you, Hana.
sorry.
No, it's okay.
I don't have
It's okay, Hana.
Hi, it's okay.
We're gonna try it.
Compare it with Dunkin' Donuts. See if you see which one is
Can we do it later, Guy, after you eat?
Oh,
You want to do
she
it?
likes donuts, doesn't
So
she?
you want
How much your phone? Give me your phone.
No. Which one you... Good?
In comparison,
Favorite
Dunkin' Donuts.
Which one you like?
This one is different, isn't it? It's like apple strudel, something like
Of course, John. Focus, Jafet boy.
He wants the camera really close. No, this one's the best.
This one?
I'll try that one. Really good. It's apple strudel, isn't it? It's like vanilla.
Let him taste. Let him.
Cinnamon. What is it?
Which one is better?
It's good, isn't it? No, Dunkin' Donut or...
I think it's different, but they don't.
You
The
good?
texture is different than Dunkin' Donut.
I prefer Dunkin' Donut, on my opinion, compared to Tim Hortons.
Your old school June.
No.
It's all the best.
It's all the best.
It's the same.
So what do you think, Jafet?
The
Which
best.
one do you like? Dunkin' Donut, Krispy Kreme, or Tim Hortons?
The best is this one because it's here now.
Because you know, because you're so... Grabe. Libre. Now we're just trying to see. Thank you for your review, Jafet.
What is available, that is the best.
That's the best. Ito available.
Yeah.
We're all gonna eat.
I put this in here.
Wow!
Did you buy this?
Thank you, Hana.
Just this
So
week.
Hana,
It's a Hana's version
Hana's
of Chow
special.
Chow mein.
Chow mein.
Chow
So
mein.
hope that you will like it. The kitchen
No,
looks
it looks great.
looks horrible.
Hana,
Master
it
Chef,
looks
Master Chef.
good.
Wait.
I hope that you will like it. Because
Hana, merienda muna kami, merienda.
Grabe,
Merienda
grabe.
pa lang yan, Japet.
Thank you so much.
So, merienda kami ha, merienda.
Thank you, Hana.
Thank you, Hana. Thank you, Jafet and Sophia.
No, let's come Hana.
Thank you, Hana, because she just came from work.
Yes. We're gonna try this.
When I win Lotto, we'll buy a big house. But
I don't know how to serve this one.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
Chow mein. Hana's turn to cook.
Always, whenever we come in here, they're always cooking. They're always cooking.
What did you cook a while ago?
Huh?
Only on your blog this morning, isn't it?
I don't know what
What was
pachamba.
What's pachamba? What's
Anything,
pachamba?
anything goes.
Yeah, anything goes. That's
Anything
correct.
goes, yeah.
So when I open the fridge, what's in there? Okay.
That's it.
But this one's not pachamba. This is the.
No, I like Hana.
It's like pancit, isn't it?
yeah.
Chow mein, yes.
Is that jacket?
That's yours.
Oh, this
What? Thank you.
what? What is it?
I'm gonna
Not too
try
much
it.
for me, Hana. Just a little
You're
bit.
gonna-
Alright,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
serve you
Yeah.
No, you don't.
you serve yourself.
I serve myself.
Okay, you serve yourself.
Ang sarap nitong niluto ni
Yan, nagluto ni
Hana.
Hana. Salamat, Hana.
Thank you. Hope that you will like it.
Definitely, I think we're gonna enjoy this. How about you, Jafet?
Dapat hindi ka ako kumain ng donut. Tapos donut.
Good.
So,
You always cook it.
No,
no, when I request,
How many requests?
When you request.
I always
Yeah.
request Hana, please,
Mm.
I have the feeling to eat chow mein. So she will cook chow mein.
sometimes when I watch YouTube and I said like
Really good.
I will try
It
something
tastes
new.
nice, Hana.
I'm glad.
It
I'm
tastes
not
nice.
that good cook like you.
Sindihan na po kayo. Pag ako manalo sa loto, bibili ako ng bahay para si John at Sheila may
Ba yun?
mag-iwan talaga.
Komportable na
Wow,
kami. Komportable
happy.
kami. We're happy.
Maliit lang yung bahay ang aming
It's
table.
not the house. It's the people who live in the house.
Let's go. Sit here, please.
No, it's
Sit
okay.
here, please.
Shit, sit
We're
down
fine.
here.
No, we're fine.
Sit down. So you can put your...
Yeah, you can eat
John.
comfortably.
Hana. Kain.
No, stand up. We're
Let's
fine.
eat. No, sit
Sit,
down.
please.
No, honestly, we're fine in here. We're enjoying
Proceed.
this. It's
Proceed.
nothing.
Yeah, and Jafet really likes it. I'm not really big fan of this, but
It's good.
No, I like it. For merienda.
But for Filipino, if you make this Filipino, they always have condiments.
right?
Yeah, about lemon.
Oh, lemon
soy
sauce.
sauce. No. I'm just saying.
No,
It's
it's just
Filipino.
saying that's how
Chili.
Filipino.
Do we have a lemon?
No.
Finish.
No.
I know.
No.
I remember.
Yeah, normally if this gonna be
I think
like
the Filipinos
Filipino.
basically we like
Condiments.
putting so many condiments everywhere on the side.
Mm.
Even if
Dang.
it's not noodles.
Kain, Sophia.
I remember that when we were in Bohol, yeah, there was like a small like lemons
That's
everywhere.
Salamat.
Chili, ginger, no,
Chili.
pepper,
Silly.
and then ginger, garlic, onion,
Bench.
put salt,
Bench.
What's
and
that? Bell pepper. No.
no,
Chili.
When I saw
chili,
it,
Chili.
I said, what's this one that Jafet has?
Chili,
It makes
and then
its own
this,
vinegar now.
corn pepper,
So what's the liquid?
suka, vinegar.
Ah,
Where
you
do
make
you get
some.
this?
No,
That's
dato
the-
puti.
No.
It's apple.
No,
cider.
whatever vinegar you put. So we call it in Philippines, we call it in my language, sinamak. So sinamak. So when it's finished, I refill it with vinegar.
Oh yeah.
But I put salt as well.
Very good bottle. You first need to finish this.
The Scotch whiskey. Nice.
Woodsman. So I told Anna I'm gonna buy Woodsman for my vinegar.
Then you get ready. You have to get ready.
Yeah, let's see. If it's a good weather.
That's dangerous. Wait,
We're going. Thank you, Hannah. Thank you, Jafet,
thank you
for
coming. It was
coming.
lovely to see
So nice
you.
to see you again.
feeding us.
Kain. Get up from your
Pink eyes, ready. Finish your Roblox. Finish now. Finish. Thank you, Jafet.
May sapatos ko rito.
Oh, see, that's new. You don't buy another
It
one.
was for
Inside exercise.
exercising inside.
Ah,
So this is my...
is that license? Does it have license?
No, for...
For work.
No, pang malakasan.
All right.
Party.
For party. No, that's yours now.
Hana.
Not mine.
More.
You don't need shoes. You got enough.
And here he has
Deme.
Roman
See?
one, so it's
How many feet you got? You only got one pair.
Jafet, we're the
Yeah.
same. We've got
I'm
those.
telling Jafet,
Thank you very much.
don't buy more shoes.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
for
Hannah.
coming.
Bye,
Thank you.
Sophia.
Sorry for taking more of your time.
Nice
Say hi
plan.
to Miguel and
I'll let them know. I'll see you soon. Bye. We're going.
Salamat
now.
yun ha. Salamat.